All right, it's minutes o'clock and time to make something happen. So, I've been looking at getting a external mic for a while, and I just happened to come across a really good deal on this video mic by Rode. Hopefully this will help with some of the audio quality. I'm looking at getting a dead cat, whisker mitten, wind muffle for this as well. Hopefully that will give some advantage. So let me open this up. Little simple thing there. All right. Leave this little tape off. So not too much to the packaging. Pretty much pre-assembled. .5mm jack, camera hot shoe mount, the little bounce stabilizer. I'm trying to remember what they specifically referred to it as. Integrated lyre. Isolates the microphone from knocks and bumps. So, oh, it's a little dark. Let me get that down. So we have a quick start guide. Register for the 10-year warranty. Pretty basic controls. And a lot of different languages. Silica gel and QA packing slip, and that's all there is. Alright, let's see if this will fit. I think this is a mini shoe, so I'm going to have to get an adapter. Yeah, that's not going to fit because that's a mini shoe. So, with an adapter, that should fit on there. And then the camera, the mic jack is right there. So that's how it'll be. I wonder, with that sticking out as far as that is, if that's going to get caught in the view of the camera. I'll try and hold that and see. So, it looks like I should be just fine. Unless I tip that down quite a bit, that microphone is out of the camera's view. All right. Well, there that is. First impressions, seems reasonable. I do worry a little bit about the lyre getting damaged or broken. I understand they're not too unreasonable to replace. Let's see, is this a battery compartment? No? Maybe? I'll have to look at the Yep, it's a battery compartment. So I need to get, there we go. I need to press down a little bit harder. So a 9-volt battery needs to go in there, and then you have some settings right inside there. Let me zoom you in a little. So you can see the settings there, some little dip switches down inside to be able to set the sound gain, or gain reduction, I should say. All right, brief addendum after I've read some instructions and looked at a few things. So we got power on and the high pass 80 Hertz filter right there. So these sound reductions are for when you're recording really loud sounds. I actually don't like the fact that Rode decided to build those inside of the microphone. I would have preferred those dip switches out here or somewhere more accessible so that I could flip something on the fly, make an adjustment. I guess if I knew for sure that I was going to be recording at a very loud thing that I needed the decibel reduction, I could preset it. But I think in a lot of cases, most people are going to be in a situation where they're not necessarily going to know that they need to reduce the sound and may want to reduce the sound more on the fly. Overall, I think it's a reasonable mic. We'll have to see how it does with the future sound recordings. Cover comes off pretty easily. All right. Well, that should be fun to explore. We'll have to see about ordering the special mini hot shoe to adapter. Well, remember to ask questions and try things. Have a good one, everybody.